Not quite, Natalie. Because they're coming back for photo shot now. Hence the reason the door's open. Everyone will hopefully jump in the cars and clear off.